Ik ga ook heel lang met de I took embarrassed to win Tesla Marine. On Don Jordan, Elaine, Nilo Salafra, is Don Beerle, at our extra go, I guess, Tom Finnegan, at Beerle, or Douche, I guess, something like that. The poem is A Noiseless Patient Spider by Walt Whitman, who's one of my favourite poets. And I suppose it's maybe similar to the last poem, it's about connection and weaving and connecting and in and out with people. So yeah, and I think Walt Whitman, he's kind of rugged, he's kind of lonely, maybe he's on his own in this poem. So anyway, A Noiseless Patient Spider. They made a beer like something like that. A Noiseless Patient Spider by Walt Whitman. A noiseless patient spider. I marked where on a little promontory it stood isolated. Marked how to explore the vacant vast surrounding. It launched forth filament, 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 out of itself, ever unreading them, ever tirelessly speeding them. And you, O my soul, where you stand, surrounded, detached, in measureless oceans of space, ceaselessly musing, venturing, throwing, seeking the spheres to connect them, till the bridge you will need be formed, till the ductile anchor hold, till the gossamer thread you fling catch somewhere, O my soul. En die zijn ook bij een beetje aan door aan nada dan wat zeg. Theodore feinig gan fáram a dhearcasa ina hasamh rian bheog ina chailí. Dhearcas mar a heilig bhuaig harish agus faoi, sná hí na níag sná hí, go seasta siarí a fuáid is a fí, dawn an fós mór fashing mór dimple a riad. Is a anam lum it a hasamh an sun, scuite is scartha ag bóch na bethel, gan the huirnas a cheapna chuíthe. Ach a machnamh is a tríad, is a cahabh wits ná híní, ag sír nar a cuir chun ceangalta. Nú go dóg for droghad the young bhála, nú go líigh tankar a mín in a lebig, nú go raigh that nátha in achran an áit éigean a anam lum. Correct.